How to fix credit card payment not posted is a common issue that many cardholders face, and it can be frustrating when a payment is not reflected in the account balance. To understand why this happens, it is essential to know how credit card payments are processed. When a payment is made, it goes through several stages before it is posted to the account. The payment is first received by the credit card company. Then it is verified and processed. And finally, it is posted to the account. If there is an issue at any of these stages, the payment may not be posted. There are several reasons why a credit card payment may not be posted, including incorrect payment information, insufficient funds, and technical issues. To fix the issue, the first step is to verify the payment information, ensuring that the correct account number, payment amount, and payment method were used. If the payment information is correct, the next step is to check the account status to see if the payment is being processed. This can be done by logging into the online account or by contacting the credit card companies. Customer service. If the payment is not being processed, it may be due to insufficient funds or a technical issue. In this case, the cardholder should contact the credit card company to resolve the issue. It is also essential to keep a record of the payment, including the payment date, amount, and method, in case it is needed to dispute the issue. To avoid credit card payments not being posted in the future, it is crucial to make payments on time, use the correct payment information, and regularly check the account balance. By following these steps and best practices, cardholders can ensure that their payments are posted correctly and avoid any potential issues. In summary, fixing a credit card payment that has not been posted requires verifying the payment information, checking the account status, and contacting the credit card company if necessary. By understanding the payment process and taking the necessary steps, cardholders can resolve the issue quickly and efficiently.